Hi, I'm Chef Danielle for Expert Village. Now, while your pesto is blending, it's a good time to stir your chicken. You want to periodically stir your chicken to be sure all that soy sauce and all those spices are going to incorporate well into the chicken. So if you want to get it out of the fridge and just give it a stir so that all sides of the chicken meat get all marinated and nice and yummy, that's perfect. And then when your pesto is done, you want to set this aside as well. So what's going to happen is it's going to turn out to be a smooth, thick paste. So if you can see, but that's all of that yummy, fresh basil in there, the pine nuts, the garlic. One other thing that you can do is you can add the juice of a little bit of lemon if you have it. It just depends on your taste and if you like it or not. If you want to add a little bit of lemon juice, that's never bad. Another thing, if you want to keep this nice and crisp and green, is put a couple ice cubes in it. It's a little trick that one of my chef instructors told me. Again, if you don't use all of your pesto that you just made, like I said before, refrigerate it or freeze it for future use.